Hi, I'm Bree, and I am cooking through my grandma's recipe box that she gave me. And today I am cooking her chicken and dumplings. Right, first off, you need to have 2 cups of biscuit mix. They're really easy to make, by the way. So there's 2 cups of that. If you don't have biscuit mix, you can make it at home really easily. Then you need to add 2/3 a cup of milk. Okay. Then you mix it together. And that's it for the biscuit, the dumpling mix. And that's it for the dumpling mix. Next, you're going to fill a pot full of chicken broth to about a half a way full to a 3/4 of the way full. You can use straight up chicken broth. You can use the broth based chicken and fill it up with water. Whichever way is more convenient for you at the time. You can even make your own chicken broth and do that if you have the time. Today, since I only have 3 cans of chicken broth, I'm going to use this base. And all I'm going to do is follow the directions to make chicken broth for here and fill the pot. Okay, I added a whole gallon of water to that. It's a big pot. So now I'm going to have to add a lot of teaspoons. So per every cup you have to add 2 teaspoons, which is what this measure is. So that's 16 of these. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is have this thing come to boil, and then I'm going to take these and by the spoonful, and what I'm going to do when it's boiling is going to scoop a spoonful and then scoop it off like that and have it fall into the pot. And then you have it cook for 10 minutes uncovered, and then you put the lid on and cook for an additional 10 minutes. So the pot is boiling now. I am going to take the dough, like I said, and dump it in there. I'm only stirring this because I want to make sure the broth is fully mixed in, which it is, because I homemade that broth. Alright, dumpling time. Oftentimes my grandma was trying to feed an army, so she would probably make the whole box of biscuit mix, I would say. Okay, so now we set a 10-minute timer, and after 10 minutes we cover this up, and hopefully it doesn't boil over.
This is what it looks like currently. You can see they're getting a shape in there. Hopefully you can see that shape they're getting. That's what you want for dumplings. We still got like 5 minutes left before we cover it.
All right, it's now time to put the lid on it for 10 minutes, and then after that it will be ready to go. All right, the chicken and dumplings are now done. Our timer went off. So we got nice dumplings. Right here. Dumplings. And we put chicken on them. Oh, I made a mess. And that's how we like them, chicken and dumplings.